18th of June, 18, and unfortunately this is not the ideal day for a wedding. 5:30 now, and we've been waiting over an hour and a half. The rain cleared a little bit, never stopped, and now this is just coming in from the west, of course. Thick, thick, thick. So it's looking a little bit touch and go for an outdoor wedding. We can do something indoors, but this is looking a shame. Shame for everybody. Oh dear. And here comes another blow. 25 to 6. Not even sure we'll get this wedding underway. Not outside. We know it's the rainy season in Phuket, but it's not supposed to behave like this. Should at least get some dry, bright patches in between the rain, but not today. Dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Everyone waiting eagerly. Wedding organizer there, Punao Chai, not happy. A great shame. And so, at 6 o'clock, with not too much light left, the rain has stopped a little, only a little. The weather forecast for 7 o'clock is diabolical, and we've decided to move the ceremony inside. Yeah, good. Diabolical weather for Phuket, even in the rainy season. This is pretty diabolical. Winds gusting at about over 30 knots. Great shame. But activities going on inside to have the ceremony quite soon, I would say. Spirits nevertheless remain high between the groom and his friends, all from Hong Kong. Yep. You know what they say? Worst things happen at sea. Worst things happen at sea. If you're on a boat, you can have more problems than this. But it'll be nice. It's looking good inside. So the staff now working feverishly and making the inside of Impiana Villas looking very nice. It will be done. So 6:45 now, and the wind's still raging. The sea's pretty rough. And here at Impiana Villas, the palm trees are dancing. But we've just done the ceremony inside, very, very nice, and now photo time. So we had a good ceremony. All was not lost. So now the bouquet toss. It stopped raining. Very lively bunch here. Still a little light in the sky, and that's what remains of the original wedding arch. Oh dear, never mind. Great job, made the best that it could be.